Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I was needing a battery for the Shadow Cruiser RV here, and I went to DJLBERMPW12V100Ah. They have this 12 volt 100 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery. So this thing should be a lot better than the lead acid battery that's in here. I do know this thing weighs about 20 pounds, 21 pounds. The lead acid battery weighs 42 pounds, so it's like less than half the weight. Don't weigh nothing, it's crazy. And a lot more power. Also, this battery here, you can get this for less than 200 bucks. And I mean, you're going to spend that much or more for a lead acid battery that ain't near as good. Don't last near as long as one of these. This is a heck of a bargain for the price. To get one of these is just a super deal and the best way to go for your RV. Now, this battery will work for trolling motors. You can use it in your boat. It has a manual here, and here's the battery. So definitely packed real good. And I had one of these actually for my Wolf Pup, and man, it was super. So the battery went bad on it. I got a lithium iron phosphate battery for it like this, and it's just awesome. Now the chargers that come standard in these is not meant to charge lithium iron phosphate batteries. It's easy to adapt, and I just got a charger that I plug in to hook to this and keep it on all the time. It's a trickle charger maintainer, and it's made for lithium iron phosphate, lithium ion batteries, and it works good just to keep it charged up. So this thing is pretty cool. Turn it around here. As you can see, this thing is crazy. It's just 20 pounds. It don't weigh nothing for most batteries. We have a positive post and negative post, which is just looks like a 14 millimeter head bolt. So you take it out, connect it to our RV. It does have a nice carrying strap on it, which is nice. Even though as light as this thing is, you don't have to have it. It's got handles on the end too, so super cool. It says model 12 volt 100 amp hour. Rated voltage 12.8 volts. Rated capacity 100 amp hour or 1,280 watt hours. So if you use portable power stations like I do, you can actually use these, and they work super. Put you a wire on here with a 12 volt socket. You can plug into USB stuff or whatever, and this thing will run them a long time. And this thing is actually light to carry in my Goldwing trailer with the portable fridge to run it. So I actually, the one from the Wolf Pup, I have it actually out there in the trailer, and that's what I power my DC portable fridge in there, 12 volt. And it works a lot better than a portable power station because it's dedicated just for it. Puts out 12 volts, and it's also 100 amp hours. I don't know why it needs them, but it does have a couple extra bolts. And this is the name, if you can see this here, DJLBERMPW. And also to let you know, they have a lot of different sizes. They have bigger ones, smaller ones. For the price they have, you can't beat that price anywhere on one of these batteries. It shows it here too, a picture of an RV with a battery. Okay, so as far as the manual here, it does show LiFePO4 battery families, and they do have 12 volt 300 amp hours. They have 12 volt 100 amp hours, which is what we got. 12 volt 300 amp hours, real big one. 24 volt 100 amp hour, 48 volt 100 amp hour. They have all different kinds of different batteries to fit your needs, and it's a super deal for what you're getting. They do sell, if you look at this page here, they do sell a 2,000 watt pure sine wave inverter that you can use also. Let's look here on the top of the battery. So it does say here too, this battery has a 5-year warranty. It says here service life is 10 years of lifetime. Normal voltage 12.8. Discharge cutout voltage 10 volts. So if you get it low as 10 volts, it's going to cut out. And that's actually to protect the battery. Standard charge current 20 amp. Standard discharge current 20 amp. Normal capacity 100 amp hour. And of course the watt hour, like I mentioned earlier, is 1,280 watt hours. Charging voltage 14.4, 14.6 volt max. It does have the input charge, overcharge protection, and the discharge protection to save it. And like normal lead acid batteries don't have that. You can discharge a lead acid battery until there's nothing left and then actually ruin the battery. This one here, when it gets to 10 volts, it's going to stop. You can't run it no lower. That way you can't damage this battery. And that's how they can make them last a lot longer. Also, it says here it supports 3 charging methods: LiFePO4 battery charger, solar panels, or a generator. These batteries can be put in parallel or a series connection, which is good because I have 2 of them, so I can actually put both of these in parallel and still have 12 volts, but I have 200 amp hour that way. So super cool, super compact. I'm going to have this installed here in a few days on the RV. Check it out. I'll make a later review once I get this thing. I've been using it a while and show you how I've been liking it, but I'm pretty positive because, like I said, I do have another one of these that I've had for about 5 years, and it's actually still going. It's still going like real good. And this is an identical battery that I had purchased from them a long time ago. Now, this battery, they actually sent this to me to review, so I went ahead and made a video review of this showing it. And like I said, after we use this a while, we're going to make another video and show you how it's been holding up. So for now, I will be back in a later video. Thank you all for watching Woodzman Adventures. You check out the link below where you can get one of these batteries. Click the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll catch you all in the next video. Right on.